Yeah, it's really coming down now. The rain is really coming down now.
It's gonna fall, I'm telling you that. Just a bumpy road.
Yeah, it's gonna fall, but oh well.
It's gonna break the glass too.
No, it ain't.
I'm scared. I'm just scared.
It's gonna fall because of bumpy roads. Boom! Bumpy roads. It's coming down hard now. It's worse than it was earlier. I filmed a video like an hour ago. It wasn't coming down that hard. Now it's really coming down. That rain is cold. Ice cold water coming down on you. It's gonna be 20 degrees tomorrow with snow flurries. Yeah. It was 77 yesterday. No rain. Windy as heck. Felt like summer. Today, 65. Spring. Heavy thunderstorms, tornadoes, the whole 9 yards. Tomorrow, Friday, snow flurries. 20 degrees in the morning.
Oh, it actually ain't that bad.
Okay, cool. Well, a lot of people drop their kids off like right at 8 o'clock and it's all backed up. If you sit in the traffic, you're really going to be
I
late.
guess most of the kids are sleeping because it's raining. So they're not even gonna come here right away.
Getting.
Yeah, we can go.
Rain's coming down hard. They put an aerial flood warning out.
Oh, I think they're making the kids go inside. Yeah, they're making.
It's making me think, yeah.
I know. Yeah, they're making the kids go inside. Yeah. I was about to say you can go all the way up there.
Really?
Yeah.
Better at the high school.
Going down right here. Get out.
Go, hurry. Go. Yeah, it's coming down hard. Let me turn down this defrost so you can hear me. Wind, hail, heavy rain. You can see if you look down the ground, some of these areas are flooding real bad. And that rain is ice cold. Ice cold rain. No wonder people are getting sick. You know what I mean? It's climate change. Keep on burning fossil fuel, red is fuel to the fire. We're making it worse. Like the Bible says, man will destroy everything. They ain't blaming on a man. Yep. Big oil, and they're making big oil made over $200 billion in record profit last year. They said this year they're going to make $300 billion because they're going to raise gas. They're going to raise gas prices up high. And it's going to be $8 a gallon gas this summer. In the springtime, it's going to be $5 or $6 a gallon just 2 months from now. It's crazy, isn't it? Yeah. It's raining and people are driving crazy and this thing keeps on falling down. I'm going to go home and go back to bed. Go home and go back to bed. That damn thunderstorms woke me up at 4 o'clock this morning. See how bad traffic is in the morning? Everybody drop their kids off right at 8 o'clock. Right at 8 o'clock. Backed up traffic. Raining. Last minute crap. Don't want to go. These cars don't want to go. They're just sitting there playing with their phone. All this traffic, look. Look at all that traffic. 8 o'clock, last minute crap. Take the kids to school at 8 o'clock and training. Like it's not, they got to be at work at 9 o'clock and they leave at 9. They drive like an idiot to get there. And the traffic will be all backed up. They can't realize why the traffic's backed up. Look. Look. Fucking go, fucking idiots. Go, 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 go. You go, 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 go. I'm fucking going. Put the phones down and let's drive. Damn, man. Is that fucking complicated? I gotta have my defrost on because that rain is cold. Cold front's causing this. It got warm yesterday. Now the warm air is exiting. The cold front's taking over, causing all these storms. All these bad storms out here. All of them. Oh, this guy fucking... Yeah, I got my fucking turn signal on, asshole. Stop. I'm not going to turn at fucking 30 miles an hour. Flip my car over. Yeah, somebody put a beer bottle behind my tire last night. Or this morning, or whenever it happened. When I went to bed or whatever. So, I got about 4 cameras out there in front of my house, different angles. I'm going to see who did it. I'm going to see who did it. Lucky I didn't back up. I have a flat tire. Yeah. And these are expensive tires. These are actually energy tires. They're made to reduce pollution and stuff. They're Michelin energy tires. There we go. I made it. I'm going back to bed. It's 8 o'clock. 8/8. It's February 16th. 17th. 8 a.m. Thursday. Got round 2 of bad weather coming around 1 o'clock or so this afternoon. Then tomorrow, which is Friday, tomorrow morning it'll be in the 20s with snow flurries. Isn't that weird? That's crazy. So yesterday 77 degrees, windy and sunny. Today 65, cold rain, spring-like thunderstorms, tornadoes, hail, heavy rain, heavy wind, the whole 9 yards. And tomorrow, they said the round 2 today after 1 o'clock is going to be worse than what it is now. Because it's going to stop here in a few hours. It's going to reheat the atmosphere up. The sun, and later on this afternoon, it's supposed to get real bad again. Then tomorrow, they said 20 degrees, 22 degrees with snow flurries early tomorrow morning, which tomorrow is Friday. But you guys have a great day. I'm going back to bed. Bye now. Happy Thursday.